you view our video, please take a few moments to subscribe our Better Food and Health Ideas channel by clicking subscribe button and tap a bell icon. So, you are a first person to know when we are post our new video. A homemade colon cleanse can help flush out some of the toxins in your body that could be adding to your pain and can naturally soothe constipation. Just plan a day when you do not need to leave your home so that you can get used to the colon cleansing changes in your body and the cleaning of waste as you start the detox process. Ingredients: 1. 1/2 cup warm purified water. 2. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 3. 1/2 cup organic apple juice. 4. 1 teaspoon ginger juice. 5. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Let's get started making this great homemade cleanse. You will need a tall glass and a spoon. To start, put 3.5 ounces of clean water in a pan. You want to warm the water, not boil it, so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. Once it is warm, pour it into your glass. Then, add sea salt and mix it. The sea salt will help let out toxins, pushing waste through the body and boosting digestion. Now, add the apple juice, ginger juice, and fresh lemon juice, and mix it. Where do you think the saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" comes from? Well, maybe it's not just for the colon, but it did come from the idea that whole foods, such as the nutrition-rich apple, brings good health, and a healthy colon brings good health. In fact, a study shows that those who ate an apple a day had less visits to the doctor and less prescription medications. Ginger is great because it lessens bloating while boosting the colon, keeping it free from wastes and bad toxins. And don't forget about the amazing lemon. Lemon juice helps digestion, detoxification, and is high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant. Drink this first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Then have this mixture again just before a light lunch, like steamed vegetables and baked salmon, and again mid-afternoon. Have 6 to 8 glasses of warm water throughout the day. It may be best to slow down the amount of liquids you drink after 5 p.m. so that you don't wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. Using this type of colon cleanse should not be a problem. However, it is always good to check with your doctor before trying anything new. If you are pregnant, have a disease, have allergies, or are taking any prescription medications. Do not drink this juice if you are diabetic because of the high amount of natural sugar in apple juice. It's best to do this for one day, or a week at most. I hope you learned something new today. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and share it with your friends. More tips, please subscribe Better Food and Health Ideas channel. Please also check out the Smoothie Detox Challenge link below, the link also inside our description area.